आता आनीक 4-5 दिसांनी टोटल सगळे करतले.
बट कितें हियरींग बीन केन्ना कॉल केला तुमचे कितें आहा हायकोर्टान?
आमकां टुरिजमान हियरींग घेतला सगळ्यांनी.
ओके.
सो हियरींग चालू आहा. थोड्यांचे आयज कंप्लीट जालें सगळें हियरींग. सो तेंणी सांगलां आमी सगळें हें करून टँक घालता बायो टँक.
ओके. टुरिजम वील पुट.
नो
Shack owner.
एट प्रेझेंट शेक ओनर.
Shack owners have done compliance. हायकोर्टान मॅटर आसलो शॅक ओनर्सांनी कंप्लायन्स केला. ते डायरेक्टराक आमी हांकां एक्सप्लेन करपाक येयल्ले हाव द कंप्लायन्स वॉज डन. दॅट जे टँक्स घालूंक जाय आसले बिचार ते घातलेल्यो, थोड्यांनी घातलेल्यो, थोड्यांच्यो सारक्यो नासल्यो. सो देर वॉज अ मॅटर इन द हायकोर्ट अँड देन अदर वेरियस इश्यूज वीच वर देर हॅव बीन डिस्कस्ड. वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आसो आनी शॅक्स आसो 15 मिटर्स जे हे आहले एरिया सायडीची एरिया घाली नाका म्हणटाले. सो एवरीथींग दे वॉन्टेड क्लियरन्स. सो क्रूज तेंचो प्रेसिडेंट जनरल सेक्रेटरी अब्दुल जॉन they had come to speak to the director and the new director has joined. So they all wanted to meet and understand what are the plans ahead, what we are going to do, how the business will improve. So it was a lengthy, good discussion. It is very healthy as far as tourism is concerned.
सोल्युशन कितें येवपा मेळटा हेजें आतां कितें कन्विनियन्स
हायकोर्ट मॅटर कितें म्हणटा that we cannot discharge the sewerage, the kitchen waste or the toilet waste in the ground, that is on the beach ground inside. So it has to be treated and pumped out from there, or you can put it for the garden behind. Lingod asता तेका घालूंक जाय, but treated water. So तेजेर permanent solution बाकीच्या शेकांक येवपाक जाय. आता some shacks which are close by, they can bring a tanker behind and suck it and take. Road ha pay road na pay taka bacterial plant is the only solution. So some shacks can join together and have one bacterial plant for the next season. So for that we have come and we have told them to identify the agency also. Now if the director identifies a good agency, it will be very good for all of us. It is what there are some touts who are coming and putting it for extra money. The rate on the counter is 800. He has already charged some 1,500. So it is their commission. That is the shop owner's commission or the travel agent commission. So that should not be there.
इथून तुमच्या
So that लोकलांची meeting घेतल्या. That's why Lawrence, who is the general secretary of that association at Baga, he had come to speak and to come out with solutions. So, solutions will come.